Acting comes from the soul, right from within, right from your heart. Theatre is the purest form of acting. No adulterations, no inhibition. Every word, every line, every emotion travels right from the actor's heart to the viewers. And this connection is what makes any performance a memorable experience. Sometimes the connection is strong, sometimes not so much. Even for the most experienced and gifted actors, even for the world's biggest stages. However, there is one stage. A stage where connection between the actor and audience never breaks. A stage where every experience is memorable. A stage like no other. A stage where as soon as the curtain rises, an extravaganza begins. A stage where fame meets success. A stage synonymous with quality. And that is none other than Kingdom of Dreams and Nautanki Mahal, the stage of Zangura. Where quality is achieved in performance, service and experience every single day. Zangura. ये नहीं देगा, कुछ नहीं देगा. 1500 plus shows, 4D visuals, aerial acts, action, songs, dances, 300 plus automated lights, high-tech sound systems, detailed properties. Zangura. A complete Bollywood film that is performed live on stage every day. An extremely large number of elements combine to give life to this brilliant spectacle every night. Each element like a separate component of an engine, making it work. Each element as important as the other. A dedicated team, world-class equipment, a story that defines entertainment, foot-tapping songs, breathtaking action sequences, typical Bollywood masala film. The list goes on and on. But the genesis of all these elements, of every single emotion that is expressed during Zangura, is because of the highly detailed planning. Without meticulous planning, the play will turn into chaos. An intricate sword fight sequence, both actors going at it. But if the other actor misses one step, one single step, he ends up injuring me or I end up injuring him. Now for the viewer, this is an unforgivable mistake. For him, that one show is the entire experience. And one mistake will mar his impression forever. That's why Zangura's planning goes into details that one can only imagine. Every single little detail is pre-planned right to the last second. But mistakes can happen. And that's why the planning does not end with what has to go right. It also takes into account what can go wrong. Every actor, machine, equipment has a backup at Zangura. There are contingency plans for everything. No matter what goes wrong behind the scenes, the show must go on. The magic of Zangura lies in its scale, in its magnitude, the aerial acts, the larger-than-life props, the spectacular LED screens, the surreal sound system. Now, all these are tools that help create the perfect spectacle. That is why it never compromises on quality. All the equipment that's used in Zangura is top quality, purchased only from the trusted suppliers. The beauty of Zangura's management is that they have built a relationship of trust and friendship with everybody who's a part of the show, including the suppliers. Each supplier takes pride in the fact that their equipment is used to create this spectacle that brings smiles to people every single day. They understand the quality that Zangura requires and have made sure that their equipment acts as an enabling tool for the performers and the management to bring this spectacle to life. But this is not only possible because the equipment is top quality, but equally because the team of Zangura focuses as much on the maintenance of equipment as we focus on maintaining the level of our performance. From actors to producers, from the director to the technicians, to the suppliers, every stakeholder understands the price of one error or mistake or malfunction has to be borne by all of us. My entry in Zangura happens with a spectacular aerial act. I'm hanging on an eagle and I fly down onto the stage. This is my favorite part of the show, but it's also the most scariest part. Hanging 75 feet above the ground, one small mistake, one little wire breaks and well, along with the illusion, even I break. But it's never happened and it's never ever going to happen. All thanks to the dedication and expertise of the technical team of Zangura and its vendors. Thanks to them, I'm still intact in one piece right in front of you. The uniqueness of Zangura, where its quality comes from, is that all the equipment goes through extensive maintenance. Even the smallest of defects taken very, very seriously.
We are getting a slight delay in the live projection. When we connect the live camera into the system, we're getting a half-second delay on the screen. So we were talking to this technical support from UK, and I think they're gonna send some, one of the technicians coming here to solve this problem.
Those are the kinds of quality standards that Zangura adheres to. And to maintain quality standards, you need to adhere to procedures that enable these standards to come to life. And trust me, we at Zangura, experts at this. Because it is such a technical show, you need to follow very strict processes with clockwork precision to give the right performance. I know that doesn't sound very arty, but my friends, that's the truth. I'm on stage performing with all my intensity. The arrival of the huge elephant is playing on the back of my mind. I'm counting down seconds in my mind to get my timing right. Now imagine this. If the backstage team delays the entry of the elephant, what do? I stand on stage looking like a fool. More importantly, the audience realizes the mistake and the charm of Zangura is lost just like that. That is why all of us at Zangura make sure that all processes are followed right to the T.
Before every show, we are supposed to come and do our mic check so that they know what the level of your voice is in every show. So if you have a sore throat or something, they change it accordingly, keep the bass and stuff like that.
But it's not as easy as it sounds. I'm not even sure actually it sounds easy. Ensuring that 300 plus people follow processes? Wow, that's something. But the fact of the matter is that it gets all the more difficult when you realize that the team never constantly remains the same. Of course, the core has remained with Zangura over the years, but new people keep joining the team. Now for a new person, it takes some time to get used to the detailed processes. So naturally, the probability of mistakes increases. Now what do you do when there is no room for errors? That's why training plays a very, very important role at Zangura. Every new member of the team is trained and developed before they can be fully functional part of the team. Taking this forward is the leadership that drives Zangura. The biggest leader of Zangura is the director. He trains, develops and molds every actor into the character. He takes us into the world of Zangura and never lets us out. But the leadership of Zangura is much more expansive than just the director. There are leaders for each team, technical leaders, backstage leaders, choreographers, sound system managers and so on. Each making their team tick, each ensuring that nothing goes wrong, each ensuring that Zangura comes to life. Each coming together to create the perfect team. If there was no teamwork, Zangura would not be possible even for a single day. Now think of this. Just to bring my character to life, I need makeup artists, choreographers, action directors, costume stylists, co-actors and of course, the director. And once again, I have not even mentioned the backstage team, the writers, the musicians, so many of them. अचानक मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा हूँ। नहीं यार, ऐसा नहीं है। Zangura, he is the hero. But seriously, like I said before, Zangura is like an engine with so many components that keep it running. If one team falters, the entire play suffers. The illusion of the world of Zangura breaks and the audience loses its interest. Zangura is still going strong and it's all because of its team. A team that does not take no for an answer. A team that does not accept mediocrity. A team that lives by quality. A team that believes in the motto that the show must go on. A show that represents spectacular, unmatched and undying quality. Quality that is achieved through planning each detail, building strong relationships with suppliers, maintaining equipment that makes the show spectacular, adhering to the plans that have been created, training and developing each and every team member, following leaders who will not compromise on quality through teamwork that binds each one of us together. The quality of Zangura needs to be experienced to be believed. There are no words that can describe its extravagance, because it is made from the heart, because it is pure, because it is brilliant yet simple, massy yet unique, because it is driven by quality.